Hi, this is Jeannie at Trendy Tree, and today I want to show you this faith-based Christmas tree that Rachel and Carrie decorated in the Trendy Tree retail store. If you're not familiar with Trendy Tree is a website that's been in business since 2007, and we sell all kinds of wreath-making supplies and seasonal decorations. About 2 months ago, Carrie opened a store in Pontotoc, Mississippi, so if you're ever in our area, we hope you'll drop in and visit. This is just one of our Christmas trees in the store. It's a flock tree and it's just loaded with really pretty gold and white and champagne style ornaments. So I'm going to go through here and I'll give you the SKU numbers and the prices on some of the items. Now, some of the things are available only in the store, but when I come to that, I'll let you know. Most of these items are on the website, and you can order right off the website. This first item are these Rasp cone trees. The number on those are 3902378. They're about 24 inches in height. The tallest one is 24 inches in height, and the set sells for $29.50. They're very pretty. They're black and white fabric covered cardboard, and they kind of have a gray look because of all the glitter. They have a little burlap trim, and they're great to just set on the tabletop. You can also turn these upside down and make door hangers, fill them up with greenery, or lay them on their side on a table and fill them like a cornucopia. So there's lots of different ways to do that. The cone trees are really, really popular this year too. This next item is from Burton & Burton, and these are wood-shaped wood ornaments that are shaped like ornaments. There's 3 different shapes. The number is 9731190, and they sell for $22.97 each. They're anywhere from 19 to 26 inches in height. Now on the website, you just pick out the shape that you want. These are perfect if you're into chalk couture or do any kind of painting. They would lend themselves very well to decorating like that. I love the chalk couture. If you're not familiar with that, you want to look that up. But you just order the shape that you want, and that's $22.97. This next ornament is XH955946. It's 4 inch. It's called an antique honeycomb. It's a matte champagne color, and it's only $1.97. It's 4 inches and made of plastic. This Mary ornament is ivory and gold, and the number is 260499. It's 4 inches and it's made of glass, and it's $8.50. There's a joy version that is the same price, same materials. The number is 260500. This beautiful ribbon is 282972. It's 2.5 inches and has a black and white check back. It's a very glittery, almost has a rhinestone look. The price is $19.97. It's 2.5 inches wide, and there's 10 yards on the roll. These ornaments, these angel ornaments, are from Burton & Burton. They're made out of MDF and corrugated tin. They have a distressed white and gold look and a burlap string for hanging. The number is 9731470. They're about 8 inches in height, and they sell as a set of 3 for $25.50. The set would be one of each style. They're all just a little bit different. One may have a tin skirt and the other may have tin wings and vice versa, but for the set you get one of each style. And they're available on the website. Everything that I've shown you so far is available on the website. This next pick is a Rasp pinecone pick. It's F3906709. It's about 22 inches and has 3 pine cones, and it sells for $6.75. This next sign is assorted, and the number is Y5748. It sells for $17.75, and it's about 11.5 inches. One says, "Oh, come let us adore him," and the other says, "Glory to the newborn king." And you just pick out the style that you want. But it's white and gold, has a little glitter. This snowy church is from Rasp, and it's only available in the store, so you'd have to pick it up locally. But it's kind of a decoupage type product, cardboard and paper, with a faux snow and a glittery top. But it's a little church, and that's from Rasp, and that's just available in the store. This old-fashioned silver tinsel garland is available in the store. It just adds so much to any kind of tree. I'm sorry, but we're out of it on the website, but we do still have some left in the store. This Peace on Earth sign is only available in the store, and that's from Burton & Burton. The next ribbons I'm fixing to show you, the first one is a beige and gold swirl glitter, and that number is RG0140901. It's 2.5 inches, and the price is $6.97. The other ribbon is an ivory and gold glitter, and that number is C1740288, and the price is $4.97. Both of those rolls have 10 yards on the roll. Well, that's our faith-based tree. I hope you've enjoyed that. I have more trees to show you, and if you have any questions about this tree, please leave us a comment. We'll be glad to answer your questions or help you find any products that you've seen that you would be interested in. I know there's some little crosses on the tree that I failed to mention, but if you just go to the website and put in cross, that's a Burton & Burton cross right there. One says hope, one says faith, and I think one says love, and I just forgot to show you those. But those are on the website, and we hope that you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's a little button down to the right of your screen that you can click to subscribe, and there's also a little bell, and if you click on that bell, you're supposed to get a notification of when we have another video. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.